Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare bhakar vadi. This is a popular Maharashtrian snack. It can stay outside the fridge for even up to a month without spoiling. Let us see how to prepare bhakar vadi. Here I have taken 2 cups of refined flour or maida. Let us add 3 tablespoon gram flour into it. You can increase or decrease the gram flour quantity a little bit. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder and salt. Let us add 2 tablespoon oil. Let us mix it well. Let us pour a little water and make a thick dough. The dough is ready. Let us cover and keep for 30 minutes. For preparing the bhakar vadi filling, I have taken 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut that we get to buy in the market. Because this is dry, this is better than grated coconut for preparing bhakar vadi. Let us add a pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and salt. Let us powder it. Let us add a tiny piece of ginger, half teaspoon sugar, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Let us powder it again. The filling for bhakar vadi is ready. Let us transfer it into a bowl. Then I have taken 2 tablespoons of sweet tamarind chutney. This can be easily prepared at home. I have already posted the recipe for sweet tamarind chutney on the channel. Half an hour is over. The dough is ready. Let us divide it into portions. Let us roll it out into thin chapatis. There is no need for any flour for dusting. Let us cut the chapati into halves. Let us apply a little of the sweet tamarind chutney. Let us add a little of the bhakarwadi filling. Let us apply a little water on the edges. Let us tightly roll it. Let us cut it into small pieces. Let us arrange the bhakarwadi pieces in a plate. This half also let us roll and cut into small pieces. In the same manner, let us prepare all the bhakarwadi. All the bhakarwadi are now ready. Let us keep the oil for frying on the flame. Let us drop a small piece into the oil. It has come up fast. The oil is hot. Let us put the bhakarwadi pieces in the hot oil. The bhakarwadi are cooked, they are crisp. Let us remove them from the oil. The bhakarwadi are now ready. They have cooled. Let us transfer them into a tin. Hope you like the bhakarwadi preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.